Hello chess lovers, in this video we will going to learn another tactics called fork, or we can also call it double attack. A fork is a tactic whereby a single piece makes two or more direct attacks simultaneously. Most commonly two pieces are threatened, which is also sometimes called a double attack. The attacker usually aims to gain material by capturing one of the opponent's pieces. So it's like we attack two of the pieces and opponent will defend one of them and we will take another. So usually most of the times we try to force the opponent, like when we attack the king, so it's forced to save the king. Like in this position you see it's black to play. I'm just saying that the white king is just here and the bishop is here and they both are hanging and my knight is very like sitting over here and he's approaching c1 where he's attacking the king on e2 and at the same time bishop of a2 where the king needs to save himself by moving somewhere and I can just easily take the bishop. You see the advantage of the fork. I just gain some material over here by this position. So let's see another example of fork. In this position, it's white to play. So usually most of the like young kids will see that our queen is under attack. Oh my gosh, we need to defend the queen. But no, I can just see a very nice tactics over here. In the last video, I told you about the pin. So we are using the pin also in this position. I am just saying that the g7 pawn is pinned. So knight is coming to f6 attacking queen and king, and guess what, king have to move somewhere because he can't take it with the pawn, although black don't have time to take my queen because its king is in check, so king needs to move and will take his queen simply, winning material again and obviously winning the game in future. Let's see the another position, last example. In this position it's black to play and here you can simply see that the opponent queen and bishop are hanging. So my knight is also attacking the g4 square and rook is also coming. So I'm just playing rook g4, attacking queen and attacking bishop. Obviously white have to save his queen, so he'll move to queen h3 maybe, then I will just take the bishop, again gaining material, and we just had applied the fork. uh, do this puzzle by your own and mention the answer in the comment section. It's black to play and obviously yeah, we need to apply the fork double attack. I hope that you learn the tactics fork. If you like this video, then give thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Fun with Chess.